The Adams County Together team is here to answer your business questions.
So a couple of things we're doing at Hauk Owens is we've tried to focus on having appointments only. We lock the front door. We also have a mail slot that people can drop off documents if they need, but when they do need to have a client come into the office, we ask them to wash their hands upon entering. We ask them to stay 6 feet away from our staff and the attorneys when they enter. We have an X mark for them to find that spot quickly. We also ask our attorneys overnight to remove all paper from their desks and from the conference rooms. We clean that after every meeting, and then once a night we also have staff wipe all the hard surfaces down. So those are a few things we're doing here at Hauk Owens to try and adhere to the social distancing rules.
Use the Opening Up Together toolkit and checklist and post Opening Up Together signs at your entrance.